Today in this video I'm going to show you how to resolve the issue the current BIOS setting do not fully support the boot device that you might encounter on your Windows 10 computer. Follow me for how to fix this problem without any problem. Now you click OK to enter the BIOS utility. After entering BIOS utility you can see advanced mode option, you just click F7 key on keyboard and go to advanced mode option. After the advanced mode option comes up, go to the boot bar option. After boot menu bar option comes, scroll down and find CSM compatibility support module option and hit enter key on the board. First check if your launch CSM is enabled, or if it is enabled then good, if it is disabled then definitely enable launch CSM. After enabling, the remaining options should remain as shown below. Then press F10 key to save the BIOS settings. The computer will restart as soon as the BIOS settings are saved. And the computer will start again. If the same problem is still shown, then the problem is from inside the computer. For that I will open the cabinet. After opening the CPU cabinet, go to where the hard disk is installed, then open the power cable and SATA cable of the hard disk, because many times this problem occurs if the power cable and SATA cable of the hard disk are loose or damaged. If the hard disk is bad, then try to connect the new hard disk SATA cable, hopefully checking with the new SATA cable will solve the problem. If not, then check the hard disk. Bring the hard disk repair person to check the hard disk. If the SATA cable and power cable of the hard disk is loose, this problem occurs, then open the SATA cable and power cable and connect it again. As you open it, connect the hard disk power cable and the SATA cable. Follow me how I install it. After connecting the hard disk power cable and SATA cable, turn on the computer. After turning on, see that the computer turns on without any problem. In this way, you can also fix the problem by watching the video. I hope you have learned something by watching the video. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.